Hi everybody, our trading partner FxPro have challenged us once again to a game of who is most likely to.
Yes.
We have Oscar and we have myself.
Both looking terrifying.
And pale.
Yeah.
Let's see who has what it takes to win.
Yeah. All right.
You go first.
Who is most likely to sleep in? Saying that's me.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah. 100% Oscar.
Love good sleep.
I think you've done it a few times already.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't think I have yet.
Okay.
Actually, no, I'm changing my answer.
What? What? Why?
It was a factory day that was a little bit late.
You just outed me to the public domain. You just opened up a can of worms now, mate. Oh.
Who's most likely to take the longest to get ready?
Nah. Nah.
I take about 10 minutes.
The same. What time do you wake up in the morning before you leave?
About 10 minutes before I leave.
So do I.
All right, we're even on that one. Who's most likely to get a tattoo? You.
Yeah. I only got one.
Where? Little teardrop.
Yeah, you know.
Who's most likely to lock themselves out of their home? Who have you put you? I don't think I've locked myself out of home before. So.
I've been locked out of my home by my parents. So I had to climb the roof, try to get into the window and I slipped.
And fell off the
I
roof?
cut my hand open, I had to go to the hospital. So it's my parents' fault.
Okay. Lando.
Who's most likely to get a pet? 100% you.
Yeah.
But who wants a pet? Me.
Why don't you get a pet?
I just have time to get a pet and it's like, bring the pet with me.
True. Just,
Yeah.
you can make it like, if you get a dog, be friends with Roscoe.
Who is most likely to snore?
I've had that feedback before.
I've had a lot of feedback about that. Who is most likely to write a book?
I think probably me, yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
Write a book. What would you write about?
I don't know, maybe an autobiography if there's enough interesting stuff that happens.
Yeah.
Interesting stuff
Yeah.
that happens.
Who is most likely to be the favorite sibling? Do you have brothers and sisters?
3 sisters.
3 sisters.
Yeah.
I would say Oscar then, right? Like that just makes sense.
I'm also the oldest, so like there's the first child.
Yeah, but I feel because you're like the only guy,
Yeah.
you know.
Are you not the favourite child in your family?
We all
But for you, it's
we all
probably
get
the opposite.
treated equally.
How many brothers and sisters have you got?
2 sisters, 1 brother.
Oh, okay, so there's 2 and 2.
The split,
Yeah.
even.
Okay. Who's most likely to embarrass themselves in public?
Quite easy, I think, that one.
Who's most likely to not to reply in the group chat? I mean, I'm not great either, but. Who's most likely to survive in the wild? I feel like this is.
I think we're
neither
both
of
out
us.
quite
Yeah.
quickly.
Yeah. I mean, you're older, so got more life experience.
Yes, of being in the wild.
Who's most likely to forget their best friend's birthday? I feel like I've seen a video of you actually forgetting your best friend's birthday.
What do you mean?
On stream, I think, with Max.
Did I forget his birthday?
I think so.
Sorry, Max. Who is most likely to laugh in a serious moment? I feel like we're both
We're
pretty
both
bad
not
at
bad, but both not good. But
this. 100% me.
yeah,
Who is most likely to survive the longest in a horror movie? I mean, I can survive.
not me then. So
Really?
yeah, not well. I mean, I'll sit through it, but there might be a few screams and like a few.
Really?
Yeah. Not good at movies.
Who is most likely to cry while watching a sad movie? She dare say me. I hardly ever cry, so I'm gonna have to say you.
Fine.
I don't feel like
I'll
people
take
cry much less than me.
Who's most likely to be late? I feel like we're both not great,
Yeah.
but I'm not very good at that. So
Actually, it's only been like once, like twice, I think.
for each of us.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to be on a reality TV show?
Reality TV?
Yeah.
I feel like you go on like Australian Take Me Out or something. Blind dates?
Blind dates? No.
Oscar Piastri blind dates
No.
coming up.
No.
Yeah.
No chance. I can see you on
I
a
reckon
reality
you like
TV.
Love Island or something.
No.
Australian Love Island.
I'd be the first voted off. All right, who's most likely to burn dinner? I mean, I have burnt my dinner.
I mean, I've had my fair share
Yeah.
of burnt breakfast, lunches. I don't burn my breakfast, but lunch and dinners.
Who's most likely to cut their own hair?
I mean, I have. So.
Have you? I have when I was like 6 years old. I got a pair of just normal kitchen scissors
And just straight went for it.
yeah, but like there was no method to it. It was just like on the
You
couch.
should try it again sometime.
Not on the couch, no mirror, just.
Like chop that freaking.
I know.
Who's most likely to be the fastest to get ready? Kind of had it.
I feel like you can get ready to jump in the car pretty quickly sometimes.
I can, yeah. You get ready before me.
Yeah.
Be the first in the car. That's Oscar. I'm always like 3 minutes to go and I'm chilling. Hey guys, what's up?
Do you like to make your engineers nervous?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As soon as Will starts to cough, I'm like, I better get ready. For the final question of the day, who is the most likely to be the quickest to eat their meals?
I don't know. I can't say I've paid much attention to how quickly you eat stuff.
No. It depends. I think I eat mine quite quickly when it's good. Like when I get my Saturday post-quality burgers.
Yeah.
Wow, they disappear quick.
Yeah.
When I like my food, it goes very quickly.
Yeah. I think that's just the same with.
That's maybe the same with everyone in life.
Yeah.
But that's it. I don't know who won, or like, if there it can be a winner or a loser.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Thanks to our trading partner FxPro for that game of Who is Most Likely to.
Thank you, and we'll see you soon.